Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we put about capital 8. That is about this one in here. And this one equals to number 2. So that means from here over there, that is about capital 8. And capital 8 equals to number 2. And now we need to find the value of s, and that is about the square root of number 2 if we put the square root for the both sides. And we have s equal to the square root of number 2 and s equal to negative with the square root of number 2. So if I use about negative of the square root of number 2 going in here, they will get into the complex number. This is about the real number, so we need to select about this one. So in this situation, I will check on the calculator. So in here, I will use about this one. So let's say number 2 to the power of 1 over 2. That is about the square root of number 2. Now we put this one. That is about the square root of number 2 to the power of the square root of number 2. So if we repeat many times, and we can get like this. Here is the number. If we continue, and we got number 2, and that is the answer for the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.